Namaste, dear ladies and gentlemen and guys. Welcome to Vijay Smart 19 YouTube channel. Please subscribe. In this video, I will tell you how to make chapati. Before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The ingredients needed to make a chapati are about 8 chapati. First one is 2 bowl ಗೋಧಿ hitta, rice and tasty salt and water. You can skip the ingredients. Rice required for this chapati. First, put the rice in the bowl into the mixer jar and grind it for 2 minutes. Take a basin, then put the millet flour in 2 cups in a bowl. Add 1.5 spoon salt to it. Add the mixer, rice, and 1.5 spoon salt. Mix all the ingredients well. Then add the required amount of water and grind it. Then put it in a steel box and cover it for half an hour. After half an hour, take out the chapati, bowl in the steel kitchen box and put in the basin again. And put basin again. Then make a small balls in rounds and make a roti. Turn. Add a silky dry chapati dough on a silky stone. It should be rolled within a lattanigi in this way. After Grinding all the chapatis, make a gas stove and put a tile or hinge tawa on it, and after it gets hot, cook it on a waiting hinge and be careful not to make it chapati sulfa benda is replaced with, and cooking oil is put on the chapati, and the chapati is very nice coming. The chapati is a ready with in 2 minutes. Then where to cook the chapatis like that brinjal goj or beans goj or coconut chutney, etc., is very tasty, delicious food. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all. Health is wealth, our ambitions.